tap on the power button icon to turn air fryer on. To use the DIY function, tap on the timer temperature button. Adjust the duration using the increase-decrease button and press the timer temperature button to confirm timer. Then adjust the desired temperature using the increase-decrease button and press the start-stop button to start cooking. To use the preset menu function, tap on the menu button to view the default temperature and duration of preset menu function. You can view the series of preset menu function by continuously tapping on the menu button. To choose a preset menu function with adjustments, tap the menu button till desired preset. Adjust to desired temperature using the increase-decrease button and press the menu button to confirm. Then adjust to desired temperature and press the start-stop button. Press the start-stop button to stop cooking. Tap and hold the power button to turn off air fryer. To adjust temperature while cooking, adjust using the increase-decrease button and press the timer temperature button. To adjust timer while cooking, adjust using the increase-decrease button and it will continue cooking automatically. The MMAF CrispPRO 5.5 liters digital air fryer is now available island-wide at all authorized retail stores and online retailers. For more information, check out our e-store MMAF.sg.